Future Facilities Task Force looks at multiple aspects of the district. It looks at the educational programs that we're being taught, the educational programs. We look at the conditions of the school buildings. We look at what we need from a community standpoint in order to make our schools successful. Certainly that is a broad brush look at everything that is needed here. Certainly it's a matter of taking in from a variety of individuals what their understanding is of what our needs are in order for us to be able to assess where the facilities need to go, in order for us to be able to make recommendations back to the superintendent and the board. Our task force is made up of community members, and so from that standpoint, as we begin to learn the direction of where the district is going, at each one of our meetings we have the opportunity to discuss, debate, provide recommendations for where else to go. Now from there also, as we move forward with these recommendations and as we get closer to a called bond election, we'll have the opportunity to also go into our communities to discuss further with our various residents and our other constituents and our parents what the needs are and how we understood where we need to go from here. Anytime you take a survey of our individuals, you have to assess and understand where the constituents are coming from and where their passions are. And from there, I believe what we'll see is a current of where the passion of our district and the direction of our district needs to go with our future facilities and with the educational programs of our district. Many times in our conversations that we have, and we saw that even this evening in our task force meeting, we had the challenge of history that we're having to somewhat overcome as well, of the way things once were done or used to be done, or something that has occurred here in the district in the past. And certainly what we have to do for our school children is look to the future, look to see what opportunities and what challenges that they're going to have, and be able to not only predict those but understand what those are going to be in order for us to react to those appropriately.